Sampson from FDMC magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about making square cuts with track saws. Now track saws, like this Festool, are a great tool to make straight cuts. You put the saw on the track, put the track on your work, and you slide it along and you can get a nice straight cut. But getting two adjoining square cuts is a little trickier. You've got to line up the ends of the track and make sure that it's right. And most of the devices that have been around to do that are not all that great. They're a little fussy and you've got to realign them and make sure that they fit and that they're square. Now there is a new solution from TSOproducts.com called the GRS16 Guide Rail Square, and it's a simple piece of aluminum that is got a little nib right here that slides into the track like that, and a simple toggle clip that hooks onto the edge of the track and locks down. And it automatically squares the track so that it's nice and square. And so then all you have to do is put your track, it's now like a T-square, on top of your workpiece. So I should show you before we go further. This piece of plywood I've got is far from square. So we're going to make a few cuts and show you how it works. We can just lay that on there like a T-square. Put the saw on. Nice straight cut, but can we make a square cut? So now, there we are, nice, no gaps, nice square cut. Perfect, and real easy. And no matter how many times you pull this on or off, as soon as you tighten that clamp, it locks it down square. Very nice, simple solution. Also, if you're using cam clamps in your guide like that, there is a little notch so that when you put the square on, the clamp fits right in the notch. Very nice, simple solution. Topproducts.com, GRS16 Guide Rail Square. Definitely worth checking out. Adds a lot of accuracy and versatility and makes it faster to use your track saw. It works with the Festool track saw. It works with the Makita track saw. Works with the Triton track saw. It does not work with Bosch or DeWalt's track saws. So it's a good option, worth checking out. That's what we've got for you for today. You can see more videos and tool reviews and the latest in woodworking news at woodworkingnetwork.com. Thanks for watching.